So hello to all the viewers. Today we will talk about the condition of women in our country. Today we will try to know the correct data and the correct statements that will tell you the condition of women present day. So today in this video we will try to find many important facts that the women have and the speciality that the women have.
So my first fact is that women are more sensitive to the noise. It means it is the biological reason that the women have more sensitivity towards the noise, that they can hear the sounds of the offspring even in their deep sleep.
It means the smelling capacity of a woman is far more better than in comparison to the men's.
Women do not prefer taking risk because of their higher angular cingulate cortex, which prevents them from jumping into danger. Women are more rational than men because of thicker cerebrum cortex than the men. Women are always right. Women can see 20% more color than men in comparison to the other human beings.
The reason behind this fact is they have a greater genetic mutation in their body.
Women have more intercalacially hardwired brain than men. Their left and right hemisphere are compared connected. And the eyes of the woman blinks about 19 times a minute. But in comparison to the man, we will see the eyes of the man can blink about 11 times only in per minute. And now we will talk something about the condition of women in our country. The percentage of women in our country is about 48%. It means 52% population is composed of men. In spite of this, the huge 48% population of the women have been not able to develop themselves. The reason behind that is, according to the report of NSSO, only 4% of the women are participating in the organized sector in our country. But when you will compare the same condition with foreign countries like America, Alaska and Canada, they have 71% of the participations of the women in the organized sectors. No one is ready to give the jobs to the women due to the following reasons, like pregnancy, like marriages, like they don't have the capacity and they don't have the kind of determination, the kind of concentration and the kind of dedication towards the work. The society always thinks that women are not be able to work like that of a man. The average education given to the woman in our country is 1.25 years only. It means if you will calculate the average education of a woman in our country, they will get only 1.25 years of education. Many of the girls of the villages are not sent to school because of the reason that their parents are not aware of the education. They are only living according to their conservative methods. India ranks 120th position among 131 nations in women workforce. This country have produced some of the great names like Indra Nui, Kiran Bedi, Sarojini Naidu and many others, and the thousands of the names that you already know. So if these kind of women are able to do such a great things in their life, so why can't the women of our country or our families can do it? So it's time to think about the women, it's time to support the women, and it's time to uplift the women so that the society can also be uplifted. It is our moral duty to just help the women to get their places in the society. And through this video, I wanted to tell you some specific and very important questions related to the women that we should ask to ourselves in our society. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will come with another problem for the society.